1 second, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so we will continue our session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So in yesterday class, I have told you something about seasons, right? Ritu.
Yes, sir. Only 3 we wrote.
Yeah. So I'll make you write this whole thing today. I'll completely explain about seasons and we'll complete the chapter by this week. And we'll start working on that sheet so that it will be helpful for your exams. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So fine. Wait, let me share my whiteboard.
I can't believe it. That's one of the names that I wanted to do for a long time. And I'm going to be right. That's a great.
Scared of spiders.
Okay. So can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So see here. Yeah. Now I'll be writing the seasons. How many months in a year?
In one year, there are 365 days.
Yes. How many months?
12 months.
12 months. In a leap year, how many days?
In a leap year, there are 366 days.
Yes. So how many? Tell me the months in a year. Name of the month. Yes.
January, February, March, April,
March,
June,
July.
July,
Yes.
August,
Yes.
September,
September.
November,
No, you missed one.
October,
Yes.
December,
No.
November,
Yeah, November.
December.
Yeah, December. What is the 4th month in the year? First of all, write
April.
Jan. Yes, April. So what is the 6th month?
July.
Count it.
July.
No.
June.
Yeah, very good. So it will be June. Okay. Now tell me number of days in a week. How many days will be in a week? In a week, how many days?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, how many?
7.
Yeah, 7 days in a week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Name it. Name the days like Monday, Tuesday.
Saturday,
No. Where I told you to start. First day of a week is
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
No. You should not repeat Sunday once again. Why? Because you used the Sunday first time, right? In the beginning, you have used the
7,
Sunday.
sir.
Yeah, 7. So always remember one thing, you have to start from Sunday. And
Yes,
then
sir.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Friday, Saturday.
Okay. Yeah. And
Yes, sir.
yes. Now, do you remember what is the day on a specific date? Yesterday, I told you how to see the calendar, how to know which date.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's. Do you have it now, or should I share it?
Sir, I have it. I'll get my phone.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I got my phone.
Yeah. So, what was the day today? What was the date? It's 24th February, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the day of today.
1 second, sir. I'm opening it. One second, sir. Sir, today's FEB.
Today is 24th, right? The date was 24th. On the top,
Yes,
what
sir.
was the on the top? What was the alphabet?
S.
Today is
The name
24th.
is, sir, the name is F and FEB.
Yeah, February. It is the shortcut of February, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have 24. Where is 24? Can you see the number 24?
Yes, sir.
What was the alphabet written on the top?
Thursday, sir. Today is Thursday.
Yeah, exactly. So what will be the day on 13th of February? 1-3.
Monday.
Yeah, it's a Sunday. And what about 2nd of February?
2nd of February is Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday. Okay. So, okay, fine. I think you are clear with this. Okay. So one more question. Here, one more question for you. Today is Thursday, right?
Yes, sir.
So what was yesterday? What was the
Yes.
day on yesterday?
Sir, 23 Wednesday.
Yeah, it will be Wednesday. Okay, what will be the date on tomorrow?
25. 25 Friday.
Yeah, it will be Friday. Okay, so, and yeah, we just looked into that and this. Okay, fine. I think we have completed most of things. Okay, so see here. Now we left over with one thing that is called as seasons. So we'll complete that in this session itself. So see here. Oh, now.
I'm leaving on page because yesterday's homework.
Yeah. Okay, leave the page and carry on. So as I continue from the yesterday's session itself. Okay, so I told you that in a year, there were 12 months, right? In 1 year, there were 12 months. And these 12 months, we will divide accordingly for the particular season. Okay. So if, let's say, so wait, let me write first so that I'll explain you. So just a second. So it will be from January
So do we need to write that?
Wait. I'll tell you so that you can write that. So January to February. January to February, it is called as end of winter season.
End of winter season.
Yeah, you wrote it yesterday.
Yes, sir.
End of winter season, which is called as Shirsha Ritu. Okay?
Shirsha Ritu.
Shirsha Ritu.
So do we need to write this again?
No, don't write this one. I'll tell you. In notes, you have completed until 3, right? Which
Yes,
means
sir.
March.
Only fourth one only we need to write. Fourth one and fifth one.
Yeah, from fourth one, you have to write. Okay. So
Okay.
March and April is considered as Vasant Ritu.
Vasanta Ritu.
Vasant Ritu, or it's also called as spring season.
Vasanta Ritu.
Vasant Ritu. Ritu is called as season in Telugu. Okay. It's a Sanskrit word actually, but we will be using that. From May to June, it is called as Grishma Ritu or summer season.
Grishma Ritu or summer season.
Grishma Ritu.
So the next one I need to write.
Yeah, from the next one you have to write, which means from July to August.
July to August.
So it will be called as monsoon season.
So now we need to write this.
Wait, I'll finish this and I'll, okay, fine. Write down while I'm writing itself. Just write it down.
Okay.
From September to October,
JUL. Wow.
is post-monsoon season. Or also called as Sharad Vriti. And the last one is from November to January, I mean December.
So only 3 I need to write.
Yeah, this 4. Yeah. You have to write still 3, which is beginning of winter.
This beginning of winter.
Beginning means start. The start of
So,
winter.
but winter is already over.
Yeah.
It's
Right now,
almost over.
right now, what is the month now? Currently,
So
we are
now
in. Currently, right now, what is the month running in the present date?
the month running.
What is the date today? Tell me.
Date is 24.
24 on which month? Of which month? See here. What? 24 to 2022. Right?
Yes,
This,
sir.
this first one is date. Okay. I mean, the whole thing is date. This is the day in the month. First number is day in the month. Day. And this second number, okay, this second number 02 is month. Okay, what is the second month? This is 02, right? Which means second month. What is the second month in a year?
The second month in a year is
In January, February. Yeah, count it. What is the second month in a year?
February, sir.
Yeah, February. So what February comes here? Where is February? In which season will it come? On my screen, where is February?
So the second month.
Where is February?
So
Check it. Come from the first line.
now the
Come
second line.
Is it second line or first line? I'm asking about February.
First line, sir.
Yeah, first line. So first line, what was the season? It is
The
end of
season,
winter season.
end of winter season.
End of winter season. Okay. So if the month is January or February, then the season is end of winter season, which is also called as Shirsha Ritu. Okay, first write it down. I'll explain you this. Saturday night.
N-O N-S-O-O-R. S-O-N. Capital Z A R S H A. Visual. R-I-T-Y. Harry and right blue. Next one, S-T S-E-P-T N-B-E. Oh, anger. O C T O P E. Apple. T O S T. Now to the next page. N MONSSOON.
meters correct చేసాం కదా కిలోమీటర్స్ రాంగ్ అయితే
Done?
No, sir.
Yeah, write down.
I took a picture, sir. So 1 second. Yes, sir.
Is it done?
So I'm in the last one.
Yes, carry on. Hello, Bob. కూడా చాక్లెట్ తీసుకురా.
Done, sir.
Yes. So in January, so let's say whenever they given a date like this, something like 12/03/2001, let's say there was some date here. So how to identify what day, what month, and what year? See here, I'll explain you. The date will be given by this, right? If you see on your computer on the bottom of
So
your
there's
screen,
the date.
yeah, there will be date, something like this. There will be some dashed lines. There will be 3 numbers given, right?
Yes, sir.
The first number indicates day. Okay, the first
Day,
number
month,
indicates day.
day, month, year.
Yes, day, month, and year. So if you want to find the date, you have to check the first number. This 12 indicates the day. Okay. Now, what is the month? It's 03, right? What is the third month in an year?
The third month in a year is
Start from January. Count it.
January, February, March, April, June.
Third one. Take your fingers and count. Use your fingers and count. January, third month. Okay.
March.
Yes, March. In March, 12th day. Okay. This 12 indicates in March, in the month of March, 12th day. Okay. This is the first number indication. Okay. Now, the month is March. The month is March, right? The third month is March. Where is March? Here. It's January, February, March. In the second line.
February. Some I have the March one.
Yeah. No. I'm not. I don't want that calendar. See in your notes. I want you to see in that notes. Where is March?
In the third one, sir.
In which one? First one or second one or third one or fourth one or fifth one or sixth one? This is
February.
first one. January, February. March,
January,
April.
February. Sir, March, April.
Yeah, it is in the second. So what was the season now? This season. What is that?
Spring.
Season. Spring season. It is called as spring season.
Spring season.
Spring season, which is also called as Vasanta Ritu.
Vasantari Ritu.
Yeah. Now, if it is May or June, it is called as summer season. Grishma Ritu. Summer season. Spell it out. Summer season.
Summer season.
Grishma Ritu.
Grishma Ritu.
Summer season.
Summer season. Grishma Ritu.
Grishma Ritu. And whenever it is July or August, it will be monsoon season.
Monsoon season.
Yeah, also called as Varsha Ritu.
Varsha Ritu.
Varsha Ritu.
Varsha Ritu.
Yes. If it is
Sir, what's
September.
what's Monsoon Ritu? I mean, what's Monsoon?
I didn't get you.
Sir, what's Monsoon?
It's monsoon. Monsoon, Varsha Kalam. Okay. You can see the rains, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is called as monsoon. It is pronounced as monsoon.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And September and October is called as post monsoon. You know what is post? The post indicates it's about to end. The monsoon is about to end.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the sixth one is November to December, which is called as beginning of winter season, which is also called as Hemant Ritu.
Hemant Ritu.
Hemant Ritu.
Sir, the first one is end of winter season and the last one is beginning of winter season.
Yeah, here it is beginning, here it is ending. So winter season starts at here and ends at February. It starts at November and it ends at February.
Yes, sir, because if it's December, then again it comes.
Yeah. So after December, there will be January. Once again, it will start, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So whenever it is January or February, it is end of winter season. Whenever it is March or April, it is spring season. Whenever it is May, June, it is summer season. If it is July, August, then it is monsoon season. If it is September, October, then it is post-monsoon season. And when it is November and December, it is the beginning of winter season.
Beginning of winter season.
Yeah. So
Beginning of winter season.
read these ritus. First one is Shirsh Ritu.
First one is Shirsh Ritu.
Second one is Varsha Ritu.
Varsha Ritu.
Vasant Ritu.
Vasanta Ritu.
Third one is Grishma Ritu.
Grishma Ritu.
Varsha Ritu.
Varsha Ritu.
Sharad Ritu.
Sharat Ritu.
Hemant Ritu.
Hemant Ritu.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Learn these things. Okay. Learn all this. From January to February, it is called as end of winter season. So in the same way, you have to learn these 6. Okay. Remember these 6.
Sir.
Learn it today. I'll ask questions on this tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So take some homework for you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Double zero.
The homework is the completed months, days, and okay, fine. I'll give you the homework regarding. Just a second.
1 second, sir. Sir, I made a video about Telugu. Months, sir.
On months in Telugu.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, okay, very good.
Can I show you, sir?
Yeah, okay. I mean, how can you show me that?
Sir, I have it in my phone.
Yeah, okay. Send me in the WhatsApp. I'll watch it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'll definitely look at. Okay, so your homework is, I'll give you some dates. You have to write the what days. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is in the March month.
Sir, my mom is sending right now.
Yeah, okay. I'll check it. Okay, so write the days. Okay, 26th February.
26.
12th February. And next question is 6th month in a year.
1 second, sir. I'm writing the first one. 12. Sir, can you wait? I'm writing this the sixth one. That one.
What happened?
1 second, sir. I'm writing the last one.
Okay, write down.
Yes, is MON TH. I am MA year. Yes, sir. I wrote the last one. Sir,
Yes.
I wrote the last one.
Yeah. So take this as your homework and do it. So, and one more thing, you have yesterday's homework also left, right? I told you to write the tables of 5th and 6th.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tomorrow we will solve the worksheet. Okay. Worksheet of your this chapter.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the yesterday's place, I mean, whatever the page you left, in that, write down the table 5 and table 6. Okay.
Sir, I forgotten to leave the page and I wrote it here. Can I write it in the next page?
Yeah, you can write it in the next page and write this homework as well.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any doubts today regarding the season?
No.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay,
I'm
what
seeing my video.
Yeah, I'll see. I didn't got it, I hope. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I'll see that.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye. Ask first to join.
Sir, right
Ask,
now.
yeah, right now.
1 second.
You can leave now. You can leave and ask first to join.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Harsh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, on your camera. What happened? Satyavarsh? Okay, so now, okay, you solved one question, right? Yesterday, you have sent me in the WhatsApp. On that, off that virtual background, okay? Yeah, keep it that way. And you have solved one question, right? Satyavarsh? You solved one question yesterday. I mean, I gave you as homework.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you got something like answer is like 106.788, right? How did you get that? Can you explain me?
It's actually homework same level. Okay, and revision. English and exam revision.
Sir, I don't remember.
Right now and tell me. What you are getting, tell me. Okay, if you know the question, you can do the answer, right?
No, sir. Me and my mother did it.
You should not do with your mother. It's your homework, okay?
Sir, it's not homework. It's classwork and right. I always do with my mom. Everybody will also do with their mom only. They'll not do by themselves.
But you have to do it by yourself because I gave homework for you only. Okay.
Sir, but
Okay.
everybody in my class is like that only.
Not about everybody. I'm asking about you itself. Okay.
Sir, me also like same. Everybody only. Same mom only.
Okay, fine. Leave. Yes. Leave. Okay. Let me share my screen.
Sir, 1 second.
Okay. Okay, Varsha, are you back?
Yes, sir. I'm back.
Yeah. On your camera. Can you see the worksheet?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, see
Sir,
the
that is my worksheet only, right?
yeah, it's yours. So On your camera, let's solve this
No,
problem.
sir, is that the same worksheet or is it different?
The same thing. You have sent me in my mail, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay,
Sir,
then
one second, I'll bring my worksheet. I only bought
bring the worksheet. Let's solve the first one.
TIS అంటే టిస్ టిస్టర్ గారు
Got
టిస్టర్
your worksheet?
వాట్ సార్
Worksheet తెచ్చుకున్నావా?
ఎస్ సార్
Yeah. Okay. On your camera, let's solve this. So, see here. What was the question? Can you read for me?
ఓకే సార్ I should use pen or pencil. I got my new pen.
Okay. Very good. Use that pen. You have to use it in your higher studies also. Not a problem. You can use it.
సార్ నిన్న ఎందుకు రాంగ్ అయింది అని అడుగుతున్నాడు వాడు.
Yeah. అదే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ రాసేసుకో పక్కన ఈ పేపర్ పైన రాసుకో రాయ్.
ఓకే
Okay. Can you read the question for me?
Geeta was going to Agra, 200 kilometers away from her town. She covered 175 kilometers and 212 meters by train. Now 19 kilometers by bus and the rest on foot. Find the distance she covered on foot.
Okay. Yeah. Can you explain me? What was the question? What he is asking and what the given data?
They're asking that find the distance she covered with her foot.
Covered on foot meaning what? What does that mean? Distance she covered on foot.
The question is only the meaning. Same,
I mean-
they are both are same only.
I mean,
The
what
distance
that
covered-
mean? See here, what is the given data? What they gave information. This is the question. Find the distance she covered on foot. Right? What is the given data in the question?
200 kilometers, 175 kilometers, and 212 meters by train and 19 kilometers by bus.
Okay. So see here. Now, Geeta was going to Agra, which is 200 kilometers away from her town. This sentence, what does sentence mean is that from Geeta, the Agra is 200 kilometers away. So the total distance she need to cover is 200 kilometers. You got it? Geeta was going to Agra. In order to go Agra, she has to cover how many kilometers? In order to go to Agra, Geeta should cover how many kilometers?
First impression, best impression antaru.
Satyavarsh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question ఏంటంటే గీత ఆగ్రాకి వెళ్తుంది. ఓకే ఓకే సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్ లో నేను చెప్తాను. Agra is a place like Hyderabad, like Warangal. Okay, Agra is a place. So see here, let's say you are going to school every day, right? So your school is 10 kilometers away from your home. So daily to go school, how much you have to cover? Tell me.
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. The question is also same. Geeta was going to Agra, which is 200 kilometers away from her hometown. Ante Geeta wala inti nunchi Agra ki 200 kilometers dooram undi. Okay. In the second point, she covered 175 kilometers and 212 meters by train. Ante ee 200 kilometers lo 175 kilometers and 212 meters she covered by train. Train lo in the distance cover chesesinది. Now later she took 19 kilometers by bus. She traveled 19 kilometers by what transport? 19 kilometers by how? 19 kilometers ఎట్లా కవర్ చేసింది? వర్ష్ 19
Bus.
kilometers by bus and rest on foot. So in the question they are clear that 200 kilometers is the traveling distance. In that, train was covered by 175 kilometers to 12 meters and the bus covered 19 kilometers. So if I add this both thing, what will it become? How can you add this one and this one? What happens if you add this? Add it and tell me. 175 kilometers 212 meters plus 19 kilometers. What will be the answer? Tell me. Parsh, ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం సాల్వ్ చేసాం ప్రీవియస్ గా. చెప్పు ఆన్సర్ ఎంత?
అలా చదవడం అలవాటు అవుతే ఈజీ అవుతుంది.
175 plus 19. What will be? You know.
Sir, 194.
194. Okay. So 194 kilometers. What will be meters? Mottam whole quantity cheppu. 175 plus
175 kilometers and 212 meters.
194 kilometers and 212 meters. Okay, this is the distance covered by bus as well as train. Okay, now what you have to do is that you have to subtract the total covered by this minus 200. Until now, in order to find the distance covered on foot, so what you have to do is that 200 kilometers minus 194 kilometers and 212 meters. నీకు గుర్తుందా నిన్న నేను ఒక పాయింట్ చెప్పాను. సో see here.
Sir, 106 kilometers.
What happened? Listen.
Sir, 106 kilometers. Is it
No,
the right
wrong.
answer?
That's
Okay,
wrong.
sir.
I told you yesterday also that is wrong. Okay. So see here. What I can write 200 kilometers as? I told you in the yesterday's class, you can write 200 kilometers as
300 kilometers. Oh,
no.
not 300,
100
100 kilometers and 1000 meters.
No. 199 kilometers, 1000
1 meter.
meters.
Sir,
You
how
have to-
1000? Okay.
You have
You
to
removed
subtract
1
only 1.
kilometer.
Okay. 200 can be written as 200. I mean 199 plus 1, right? 199 plus 1. See, I'll write one more step here. 199 plus 1 kilometer. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this 1 kilometer, I'm converting it as meters.
1000 meters.
Yeah. So now subtract it. What you have to do? 199 minus 194 and 1000 minus 212. Okay, that will be your answer. So find it, tell me. Okay, did you get the answer?
Sir, the answer is 195. 195.
Wait. No. Calculations తప్పు చేస్తున్నాం. It's wrong. What is 199 minus 194?
ఇక్కడ చేయి వర్షు 199 minus 194 అయ్యి
You are calculating it in the wrong way. Be careful. Okay, 199 minus 194. 1000 minus 212. You know this addition method, right?
Sir, 105 and
Not 105.
2.12.
No. Once again wrong. See here, how you have to add and how you have to subtract.
Sir, 005.
Yeah, 005 indicates what? 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers and 2.12 meters.
Not 2.12. What is 1000 minus 212? 1000 minus 212?
Sir, 788 meters.
Yes. So it will be 1005 kilometers over here. If you subtract 1000 minus 212, this quantity, you will get 788 meters.
Sir, 5 kilometers in 778. 788 meters is the answer.
Yeah, that will be the answer. See
She
here, I'll
walked
explain.
5 kilometers.
Yeah,
Sir, she walked 5 kilometers.
she walked 5 kilometers, 788 meters. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See here, once again, I'll explain you this question. Whenever this type of question comes, what you need to do is that you have to write the given data. First of all, they gave that Geeta was going to Agra, which means 200 kilometers. You need to write that. Okay. She covered 175 kilometers and 212 meters by train. So you have to note that also. Later, what is the other given quantity, which is 19 kilometers by bus? So you have to note that quantity also. Rest on foot. Find the distance she covered on foot. Okay. So first of all, you need to write the given data like this. From that, you have to keep solving the sum. Okay. And you have to be careful when you are doing subtractions, additions, multiplications, and divisions. Okay. Note it down. Note this answer. This whole process. Total process.
Yes, sir.
Note it down.
Sir, I wrote it very darkly. Now it's not going with the result.
Sorry, I didn't get you. You are in dark.
Sir, I wrote darkly, sir. Whenever I erase, the marks are still there. They're not going. They're still visible.
Okay. Write with a pencil then.
Sir, with the pencil only I wrote, but I wrote very darkly.
Okay, okay.
I only know how to write darkly.
Okay, tell me when it's done. Is it done?
No, sir.
Okay, Varsh, where you have gone? Satyavarsh,
Sir, I'm writing.
you're writing.
Sir, I already told.
Oh, okay. Did I erase that? Shit. Until where you wrote? Tell me until where you wrote.
Sir, I took screenshot. 1 second, I'm copying.
Yeah, okay. You took screenshot, right? Okay, right from that. And let me know when it's done. మళ్ళా అది ఎక్కడైతే చిత్రం ఉంటుందో మళ్ళీ అడిగి తెచ్చిపెట్టి. Okay, done with your writing.
No, sir.
Okay, make it fast.
Sir, I'm done.
Is it done?
Yup.
Yeah, on your camera. So let's go to the next chapter, which is time, which is the temperature. We haven't discussed that. So once if we done doing the left chapters as well as the,
Yeah.
yes,
What is the difference between Fahrenheit and Celsius?
Fahrenheit and Celsius. Those were two units of temperature. Okay, like kilometer and meter. They are two different units of temperature. Okay, like for weight, you will be having grams, kilograms, all those stuff, right? And for length, meters and kilometers. In the same way, for this temperature also, Fahrenheit,
Sir,
degrees.
I also learned some new things. Micrometers and nanometers.
Yeah, micro and nano. Yes.
Sir, are nano like atoms?
It's not atoms, but kind of really smaller things which you can't see with your eye.
Sir, not even with the normal telescope.
No, not telescope. You can't see literally with your telescope, but you can see it with the microscope.
Sir, I meant microscope only, not telescope.
Yeah, but yeah, by microscope you can see it on your camera first.
Yes. Sir.
So see here, let's move forward to one chapter. We have gone through that, right? The whatever. Oh, okay. We have gone through the time in the previous sessions, right? So I'll give some more introduction part for that. So converting one unit of time into other unit of time. As you know, in time, there are 3 units. For time, there are 3 units, which is basically hours, minutes.
Sir, I
And
know the time, but I want to know the temperature. What is the difference between Celsius and my
yeah, I
Fahrenheit?
told you. Yeah, I told you, right? Those are 2 different quantities to measure. See here, let's say.
Sir, I did not understand.
See here.
How much is one Celsius?
See here, listen to me. I'll explain you with a simple example. Right now you are at some, let's say you are at your home, you want to reach Hyderabad. Okay, it is something 10 kilometers. Okay. And you can reach the same Hyderabad by telling like 100 into 1000, which is 10,000 meters. Both tells the same. Both tells the distance, but the unit is different. Here meters, here kilometers. I can say.
Sir, Fahrenheit is different and then Celsius is different.
Yeah, 2 different
But
units.
they have the same meaning.
Yeah, they have same meaning, which means they are calculating the temperature itself. Fahrenheit.
Sir, so it's like 1 yard and like 1 kilometer.
Mile. Yeah, yard. Yeah, exactly. Something
so
like
in some different countries, they'll call it Fahrenheit. In some different countries, they'll call it Celsius.
No. It's not Celsius and Fahrenheit, but they are used for temperature itself. Depends upon the purpose, they are changed. That's it. Okay.
Sir, can we call it in some other thing except time, like except temperature?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Can it be like not only temperature but something else?
Yeah, it's you will be having one more unit also in the temperature, which is called as Kelvin. It's Kelvin.
Sir, it sounds like that movie Kelvin. There's this alien in a spaceship and devouring all the space equipment and all.
Yeah. But it is also the name of the unit also in temperature itself. Okay.
Sir, is it hot or cold?
No, it can be used for both. It can be used for both. For hot also, you can write the temperature in Fahrenheit, in Celsius, as well as in Kelvin. Okay. both, I mean, 3 were the units for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So generally, measurement of Celsius scale will be the, let's say the metric system uses a scale called as Celsius scale. Let's say have you seen the thermometer anytime?
Yes, sir. It has mercury in it, there, sir.
Yeah, it has mercury in that. On the scale, you can see it
Sir,
starts
so
from,
mercury can detect the heat.
yeah, it can detect heat as well as cold. It contracts to the cold, whereas it expands to the heat. Okay.
Sir, they say that when you put somewhere the like a thermometer and then remove it, and then when you like slip and you break it, that means that part of your body will become weak.
Yeah, those are some myths, but not
Sir,
true.
if there is mercury in there, why will they put it in their mouth and check?
See here, the mercury doesn't go inside your body. Okay, it will be in the container. I mean, it will be in this tube, this small tube. There will be a small tube inside the thermometer. In that, there will
Sir,
be
so
mercury.
whenever you put it in your mouth, if it is hot, it will like go up and expand.
Yeah, it expands in the tube itself. It never comes out. Okay, it never gonna come out. It will be in the
Sir,
tube.
so the tube can handle so much pressure.
Yeah, it can handle pressure, heat, and all types of temperature. So if you see the thermometer, you can see the scale reading will be like 0 degree Celsius, 1 degree Celsius, so on up to 100 degree Celsius.
Sir, what is the coldest Celsius?
Coldest, 0 degree is the coldest. If you go and keep the thermometer in the
Sir,
fridge,
so you can make dry ice with that coldness.
no. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can only measure. You can only measure what is the temperature. The temperature itself is called as, it can say it is
Sir, so
hot.
like how much coldness do you need to make dry ice?
You don't need cold to make dry ice, because dry ice doesn't need any coldness. Okay, it can be made by chemicals. Even in the hottest summer days also, you can make the dry ice. There is no
Sir, but
matter
it
of,
is made up of like frozen, what do you call it, frozen carbon dioxide, right?
yeah, but it is actually a combination of nitrogen and some chemicals. It's not actually a perfect ice. It's a combination of chemicals, nitrogen.
Sir, you should not breathe the gas it like releases when you put it in water.
Yeah, it will be toxic.
Sir, but I breathed it.
Yeah, but frequently you should not do. Couple of times or sometimes it's okay, but frequently you should not do. It will be harmful for our
Sir, the
health.
liquid nitrogen, they will give it to us like I went to one like exhibition. There's like this small treats, right, sir, some type of waffles and all, small
Yeah.
things.
Yeah,
They dipped it in liquid nitrogen, put it there for 1 minute and gave it to us. When we eat, this gas came out of our nose. Is it
yeah,
okay?
that is the smoked biscuits. Yeah, that is no problem. You don't have problem with that, but the smell and all those stuff will be somewhat toxic. So those were edible. Whatever you have done there is something recommended. But whereas if you take the complete dry ice, so it's harmful. Okay. So see
Okay,
here.
sir. Sir, so in the thermometer, the 100 is the maximum and 0 is the lowest you can get.
Yeah, for our thermometer, whatever the thermometer you are using in your home, for that 100 is maximum.
Okay,
If
sir.
you go for any other kind of industries, there will be more than 100 also. There exists more than
Sir,
100
but that
also.
is too hot, right?
Yeah, if it is too hot, then they will use more than 100. Okay, if you
Sir, so
measure,
there will be like some thermometer which is checked to like big industrial ovens are there for that.
yeah, exactly, in the fire, in the coal mines, in that areas, let's say you have an ice cube.
Okay, sir.
If you keep the thermometer on it, what it will measure?
Sir, it will measure like 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, some
Yeah.
low temperatures.
Yeah, it will be low temperature. Let's say if you dip it in the hot
Put it in hot water, then it will go higher.
yeah, around like more than 50 or 60 in that range, right?
Sir, if it is 100, if we put our hand in it, will it burn?
Yeah, it will burn actually. 100 degrees is not a joke. So yes, you can burn your hands when you are when you see the boiling water, you can see the bubbles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, whenever you touch it, your hand gets like a sensation of burning when you touch the hot
Yes,
100
sir.
degrees
Same
water.
feeling like when you are like eating anything spice. They say that nothing happens in your body. Your body will not burn inside. It's just a slight feeling because some type of
Yeah,
chemicals
it's a
in some
sensation
food.
of burning. That's it.
Sir, will I learn it in 6th class?
Yeah, you will learn that. You will be having
Sir,
a subject.
after this exam, I will go to 6th class.
Okay,
Yes,
but
sir.
you have to write the exams very well. Okay, before that you have to write the exams well, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So see here, there is some topic left over. I'll tell you, and we will start the worksheet of time and temperature also. Okay, we have very less time. So see here, whenever I place an ice cube and if I start measuring with the thermometer, it shows something like 0 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in the same way, if you measure the hottest substance with a thermometer, it will be measuring around 100 degrees or whatever, but the highest temperature will be recorded. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in temperature, let's say in the temperature scales, you have two different units that is called as Celsius, and other one is called as Fahrenheit. Okay, one is called as Celsius and the other one is called as Fahrenheit. Okay, so in the time and temperature chapter, you'll be having two things that is called as time as well as the temperature. So we'll go deeper into that. So before that, so can you tell me generally in summer, do you feel heat or do you feel cold?
Sir, heat.
Heat. In the winter?
Cold.
Cold, right? So you can see the difference between the weather heatness and weather coldness. Okay. So let's say if when you are outside of your home, so let's say if you are measuring the
Sir, in the
temperature,
morning it will be so much colder.
yeah, let's say if it is from 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius, then it is called as cold weather.
Sir, like, will you freeze in 0 degrees Celsius?
You can't freeze. I mean, actually, you will freeze, but it takes some time to freeze.
Sir,
And we
like,
can
what
it's
is
not
more below
you
0
can have
Celsius?
you can have like minus 10 degrees Celsius, minus 20 degrees Celsius, so on. You can go in the minus also.
Sir, if it is minus 100 degrees, instantly you can freeze, right?
There is no point of talking like instant also. It will happen in a fraction of seconds.
Sir, so you cannot like guess like how in fractions or how much it will take. You can only measure by thermometer.
Yes. So see here, based upon the readings, we have given some names to the weather. From 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius, it is called as cold weather.
Cold weather.
And
11 and 20, it's hot weather.
it's not hot, it's cool weather. Okay.
Sir, what is the difference between cold and cool? They both are same only, right?
Cold is, see here, cold is something called as ice will be cold. Okay.
Sir,
Ice
but you
is,
need to tell us average, right?
no. See here, I'll tell you the difference. You can say cold
Sir,
ice.
so like, is it like cold, cool,
Yeah.
average, hot.
No, not like that. You can, let's say you are talking about an object. Ice will be cold. Kind of, let's say if it is from 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius, which means everything in the nature, let's say water or liquid, whatever, that will turn into solid. Do you know what is solid liquid?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, what basically happens is that every liquid turns into solid. So that's the reason we will call it as cold. Okay. From 21 degrees to 25 degrees, it is called as mild weather. Speak it, mild weather. Okay. Satyavarsh, speak it out. From 26 to 30 degrees, it is called as warm.
Sir, mild should be like after warm, right? Mild, it
Yeah.
is mildly cold, mildly hot.
Yes. From 31 to 35, it will be hot. And from 36 degrees to 40 degrees, it will be very
Super
hot.
hot.
Very, very. Okay. This is based, you might have, they will be asking the question for you in this topic also. Okay. And one more thing you need to remember,
Sir,
one more.
50 Celsius and 50 Celsius and 60 Celsius is super hot.
Yes. So it is water,
Super.
water freezes. At what temperature? 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. At 100 degrees Celsius, water boils.
Sir, in our class, my mom asked me in one quiz, like what is the coldest country except like what is it? South Pole and North Pole.
Greenland.
Sir, it's not Russia.
No, not Greenland. Greenland will be having the most coldest.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
So,
then the second coldest and third. I need all three.
yeah, like Canada, Russia, you can't sort them, but based upon the altitude, it varies. Okay. If you go top to the hill, it will be so cold. If you come below the
Sir,
ground,
like Himalaya is cold.
yeah, exactly. So in that way. Okay, take a screenshot of this.
Sir, screenshot in laptop, it is just a PRT and SC something. Their button is there. It's a near delete.
Yeah.
Before I updated my laptop, when I pressed it, it's screenshot. But now when I press Windows plus that button, that only that is working.
Yeah, okay, that will be working. Fine.
Sir, but if I only put it like one button, I don't know how to put it like that.
Yeah, use the two hands, not a problem. Okay, so
Sir,
fine.
1 second, I'm taking.
Take the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write this in your notes, and your homework is, so we will do it in the chapter of, so let's say, write down the table 8 and 9.
Sir, 1 second. Yes, sir, done.
Okay, done? Fine.
Yes, sir.
So do the homework. Clear with this?
Sir.
Yeah, okay, you can leave it now.